The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is built for users who want a reliable gaming experience without spending the kind of money usually associated with high-end gaming rigs. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5600G processor and paired with the AMD Radeon RX5500 graphics card. This desktop offers a combination of performance, speed, and practicality that works extremely well for modern gamers, students, and content creators. At first glance, the desktop has a clean and stylish design that feels modern without becoming overly flashy. HP kept the gaming aesthetic subtle, which makes the system fit naturally into different environments, whether it's a gaming room, a student workspace, or a professional desk setup. The compact chassis is also a big advantage because it doesn't take up unnecessary space while still maintaining good airflow and accessibility. Performance is where this machine really starts to impress. The AMD Ryzen 5600G comes with 6 cores and boost speeds reaching up to 4.4 GHz, giving the system enough power to handle multitasking, gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks with ease. Everyday activities feel smooth and responsive, from web browsing and media consumption to editing projects and running multiple applications at the same time. When it comes to gaming, the Radeon RX 5500 graphics card provides dependable 1080p performance across many popular titles. Games like Fortnite, Valorant, GTA 5, Minecraft, Apex Legends, Rocket League, and Call of Duty can run with stable frame rates and enjoyable visual settings. Competitive gamers and casual players alike will appreciate the smooth gameplay experience this desktop can deliver. The inclusion of a PCIe NVMe SSD significantly improves overall responsiveness. Windows loads quickly, applications open almost instantly, and game loading times are much shorter compared to traditional hard drives. Although the included 256GB SSD may feel limited for users with large game collections, it still offers a fast and efficient starting point, and storage upgrades can easily be added later. The desktop ships with 8GB of RAM, which is suitable for basic gaming and everyday use. However, users who plan to stream gameplay, edit videos, or multitask heavily may want to upgrade to 16GB for an even smoother experience. The good thing is that desktop upgrades are simple, giving users flexibility for future improvements. Another strong point is the cooling and noise management. Even during extended gaming sessions, the system remains relatively quiet while maintaining stable temperatures. HP has done a respectable job balancing thermal performance with the compact design of the tower. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly since Windows 10 Home comes pre-installed. Users can simply connect the included mouse and keyboard, turn on the system, and begin gaming or working almost immediately. This convenience makes the desktop especially appealing to users who do not want to build a custom PC from scratch. Connectivity options are practical and versatile as well. Multiple USB ports, audio inputs, networking support, and display connections allow users to connect gaming accessories, additional monitors, external drives, and streaming equipment without any issues. This desktop is ideal for people upgrading from older systems or laptops who want a noticeable boost in gaming and productivity performance. It delivers a balanced experience that combines affordability, modern hardware, fast storage, and upgrade flexibility into one convenient package. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop continues to stand out as a smart choice for users who want dependable gaming performance without entering the premium price range. It handles modern games efficiently, performs well during multitasking, and provides enough power for entertainment, school, work, and beginner-level content creation. For anyone searching for an affordable gaming desktop capable of delivering solid 1080p gaming performance, smooth system responsiveness, and a clean design, this setup remains a strong contender in the budget gaming PC market.